To begin the X stitch, or sometimes referred to as a cross stitch, we need to make a slip knot and then chain an even number. So for this example, I'm going to chain 16. Now we will skip the first 2 chains and double crochet into the third. And we're going to double crochet in every chain across to get us a foundation row formed. Now that we've finished the foundation row, we're going to chain 2 and flip over our work. And now we're going to start forming the X's. To do this, we want to skip the first chain here, and we're going to start in the second chain. So double crochet here in the second chain. And now to make our X, we're going to go back to the chain that we skipped, and we're going to double crochet in that chain. So you can see we've crossed over and that forms an X. And the more you move along in this process, you'll see that these become more defined. So to continue on, once again, we're going to skip our next chain and double crochet into the next one. And then we're going to come back to the chain that we skipped and double crochet into that one. We'll continue to do this across the row until we get to the end. So here's going to be the last X of this row. And then we will need to go into the top of our chain and do 1 double crochet to finish this row. We'll repeat this process by doing our 2 chains and then flipping over our work. Once again, we'll skip the first chain, work in the second one, and then we'll come back to the chain we skipped. So you can keep working this up as much as you want. I think the stitch looks great, especially for a scarf. So I recommend doing this for the length of the scarf you want. And then the last row, you would make all double crochet so that it would match your first row. And that is how you make the X stitch. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button for me so I can continue to make more videos for you.